Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the notification settings of your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to turn on or off the notifications of your device, you have to follow few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can turn on or off notifications in your device Oppo A57e.